Oof, oof, oof. Are you? Oh, you don't have to put on shoes or anything. You're ready to go.
No, I'm ready.
This is awkward. Okay, we are in Cuyahoga Valley National Park. We are going to go look for, I think, the biggest waterfall in the park. We're gonna go look for a waterfall, and then we're gonna go on a nice hike. Hopefully, find some spring flowers, some fresh buds, maybe some wildlife. Let's see what we get into. Go. You ready? First hike is spring.
Here. Catch this one.
Oh, it is chilly.
That's the fun. Yep. I'm surprised you didn't get hit with much.
Right?
That was just a little bit. Not as much as I thought it would be.
Worse than it, like the, I don't
yeah,
think
it's falling.
Bad. Like all of that was up. I never noticed there's still like a
metal piece. I did.
Yeah.
I remember that last time, but that no, that just fell recently. That's some nice moss. We'll show the world.
Spicy.
No, you're just working out.
For the first time in months.
6 months. So I was saying, I'm not too bad. I'm a nice temperature.
Can't find his nuts. Hope he found something. The fairies made it.
Naturally.
Even has a bunch of little acorns in there for them.
She's not in the game. You'll be able to see it, folks. Right there, middle of the screen. She is off her. Forgot I was holding it. Yep.
You alive?
Oh. Dude, I don't know about the terrible parts of the hike.
Good to go.
Yeah.
These are salamander.
He's cute.
We are home now, so we're all done with our hike, and it was absolutely lovely. So we ended up being out there for like just shy of an hour and a half. We went about 1.75 miles, so I spent a lot of time at the waterfall, like taking pictures and stuff, and spent a lot of time with the heron, taking a lot of pictures because I was a little obsessed. But it's a lovely hike. It was very nice to get out there. It was nice and warm. It was actually I didn't account for the humidity, so I was literally like sweating through my clothes because I was so hot because it was so humid. But the temperature wise, it was beautiful. It was really nice and gorgeous. It wasn't too busy at the beginning, but by the time we got back to the parking lot was definitely filling up. And yeah, so we got there at the right time because there was only a couple cars when we got there. And then when we were leaving, it was basically full. But it was a lovely hike and it was really nice to get out there. It was nice to go and see the spring blooms and get back into my hiking game. I feel like I'm so off my hiking game lately, so I'm really excited to get back into it and share more videos with you guys. So I want to thank you guys so much for being here. I'd love to know if you've ever visited Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Is there any trails that I should check out next? And then also, what are you planning on hiking this spring? Let me know down below. Thanks again for being here. Hope you guys are having a fabulous spring. Live well, read lots of good books, and go discover, my friends. Bye!